Good morning, it's day 2 here in Seoul, and I've got a few more hours to try and squeeze in 2 of my favorite spots here in Seoul, and I really wanted to show you guys. So the first one, we're going to go to Seoul Tower. It's right in Namsan Park, and you get a really amazing view of Seoul from there. It's 256 meters high, and I can't wait to show you the breathtaking views of the skyline. So that's the first place we're going to go to. Second, I'm going to bring you to a really nice and traditional palace that's situated right in the city center of Seoul. So I can't wait to show you guys the beautiful architecture and the tradition of the palaces here in Seoul too. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get to Seoul Tower. So there's a couple of ways to get up to the Seoul Tower, and I found a cable car, which is a really scenic way to get up to the top there. It's 9,500 won to get in, so just less than 10 bucks for a return ticket to get up to the tower and back down to the platform area. So anyway, cable car's here, so let's get going. I'm just about to go up the Seoul Tower. That cable car ride was pretty amazing. Some fantastic views while you're going up to the Seoul Tower. So I got my ticket, and it cost 10,000 won, so just a little over $10 US to get in, which is pretty cool. So let's go upstairs, and then there's a park area. This is Namsan Park, really nice to explore around. So we're going to go upstairs and we're going to come back down and explore the park a little bit. So let's go. So amazing views here in Seoul Tower. It's absolutely breathtaking. I love just standing back and just having a whole 360-degree view of Seoul City. And I love how in every single window it tells you a city and the direction if you face that area and how many kilometers away or thousands of kilometers away it is. So I thought that was pretty cool. It's a really intimate observation. Like, there's no outside area unfortunately, but at the base of this tower is Namsan Park, and you get some really cool views there too. There's a gift shop here. You can get some snacks and drinks, so you can spend a good hour here, but I think we're ready to go back down because I love nature and I just want to see all the trees and feel the wind. So let's go down to Namsan Park. Isn't Namsan Park and Seoul Tower absolutely beautiful? You don't even have to pay anything to get to Namsan Park, and on top of that you don't even have to go up to the observation deck and pay the 10,000 in the Seoul Tower. You can actually just stay here at the base, hang around Namsan Park, get a coffee, get an ice cream, get some souvenirs, get your amazing shots, and you can still take in the full breathtaking experience of watching the Seoul skyline. So do that when you come here. Now I think we should go on to the next place and I can't wait to show you that, so stay tuned. So I brought you now to Gyeongbokgung Palace, right here in the city center of Seoul. Now to get in, you've got to get a ticket. It costs 3,000 won to get in, or just around $3 US. And it was first built in 1395, but the complete restoration of this palace was finished in 2010. It's an amazing thing to see the backdrop of the mountains, the hills. Everyone's wearing traditional costume too. Actually, a tip, if you want to get in for free, just wear a traditional hanbok dress for the ladies and you can get in for free and take some amazing pictures with the palace as your backdrop. So let's walk around a little bit and explore. So that's Gyeongbokgung Palace. It's amazing. I just love the gardens that surrounds the palaces and different parts of the palace. So you actually just lose yourself in here. And it's a really good place to sit back and reflect, especially if you want to re-zen yourself. I think it's really, really nice to do that here. There's not many people, there's not a big crowd, which I love too. And I love how everyone's just enjoying themselves around here. So I hope you guys enjoyed the quick tour of Gyeongbokgung Palace right in the city center of Seoul. So easy to get to, no excuses not to come here. But I'm feeling really hungry. Do you think I should eat something Korean? Well, I think so. So let's go and find one of my most favorite things to eat when I'm in Seoul. So let's go. I'm here at Myeongdong and I'm inside the Fusion Chicken Factory. It's one of my most favorite restaurants for fried chicken. I can't wait to order something and show you what's so amazing about it. So let's have a look at the menu. So this is what I always get. I always get the boneless fried seasoned and the soy sauce, and you can mix them up so you can get like half of each for just a little over $18. So it's actually pretty worth it. It's a huge portion, so let's get it. So my order's finally arrived. This is the best fried chicken that I've had here in Seoul. So here's my half and half boneless fried chicken on this side. You've got the soy sauce and garlic, which is amazing. It's basically fried chicken with soy sauce. It's a little bit sticky, and it's just like crushed bits of garlic on it, like fried garlic. On this side is the spicy version, which is the Korean version. So it's not too spicy actually. It's actually just a mild spicy, and throughout it there are little bits of fried rice cake too, and chilies. And this is really amazing. I got the boneless one because I'm super lazy to take the bones out. So let's see what it tastes like. Well, I know what it tastes like, but you guys have to try it when you get here. Yeah. Fusion Chicken Factory, Myeongdong. Absolutely delicious. Just the way I remembered it. And I love how they serve these little bits of like pickled or fresh radish, because they've got two flavors, so you can actually, while you're alternating, you can cleanse your palate by having these bits of radish. Amazing. These pieces of chicken are super succulent, and as you can see here, it's not dry at all. It's really juicy. And it's seasoned perfectly, fried at the right temperature, and oh my god, if only you could eat this now. Amazing. And I just love how the soy sauce and the garlic just marry together so well. It's kind of like a sweet style sauce, but I absolutely love it. So when you come down to Myeongdong, look for the Fusion Chicken Factory and you'll have some amazing fried chicken, and make sure it's boneless too, so easier for you to eat. So I'm back in the hotel now. That was a super nice day, wasn't it? We got to see some really cool sights, my favorite sights, and we got to have that amazing chicken. Definitely have it when you're in town. You will be in heaven after taking a bite of that chicken. Seriously. So I was on the way back to the hotel and I had to pass by a convenience store and get some coffee before I go to work later. And I found this super cute drinks, guys. You have to check it out. Look at that. I love how these packagings are so cute. It just makes you want to buy it even if you're not thirsty. So that's good marketing there. But look at this first one. Mellow peanut. I wonder what that is. Maybe it's like a peanut milk drink, I hope. So can't wait to try that one. This one looks really funky. Grapefruit juice. I actually thought it was tomato, but I'm happy that it's grapefruit because I'm not a fan of tomato, to be honest. And this one, it's a melon milk drink. Green melon. So the winner for me has to be this. Anything with ears and a cute face and a character, oh my god. And Ryan, whoever Ryan is, hello. But I was so excited to show you guys. Sorry for segueing there. I just had to show you the cute packaging here in Korea. I love anything in Asia with their packaging. I find it really interesting how things are packaged for certain markets. So that's pretty cool. So thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed the Seoul vlog as much as I enjoyed making it. You guys know I'm a solo traveler. I hope you guys try and travel by yourself sometime. It's amazing. It's absolutely empowering and you really learn a lot about yourself. So try it sometime. Check out my channel. There might be some other cities, destinations, countries that you're heading to, and I might be able to give you some tips for that place too, so do check it out. But until our next travel vlog, which is going to come soon, always take care, and I'll see you then.